In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use mic on PlayStation 4 controller without a headset and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, you are able to connect any sort of headphones or a headset that contains a mic using the headset jack included on your PlayStation 4 controller, the DualShock 4. So if you look at the bottom connectors of the controller, you are clearly able to input a headset or a pair of headphones through there. Now, are you able to use any sort of communication, meaning a microphone, without connecting a headset or a headphone to this specific connector? Well, the only way that you would be able to do this is if the DualShock 4 had a built-in mic. Contrary to what most people think, the DualShock 4 does not have a built-in mic. Only the DualSense does. If you go over to the specifications of the PlayStation 4 controller and you look through them, you will notice that there is no mention of a mic built into the controller itself. Meaning that as of today, it is impossible to use the microphone on your PlayStation 4 controller if you do not connect a headset or a standalone microphone. Of course, you can connect a headset or even a microphone through one of the USB ports available on the console, but to answer the question in the title of this video, the only alternative that you would have to use a microphone on the PlayStation 4 controller without a headset is to connect a standalone mic. Besides this, like I said, it would be impossible to use a microphone because the PlayStation 4 controller does not have one built into it. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware that because the PlayStation 4 controller does not have a built-in mic, you are only able to use voice chat and those sorts of communications if you have a standalone microphone connected or if you go ahead and you acquire a headset. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.